Hello, today we will guide you through how to move conversation in Slack. In this short walkthrough, we'll take a direct message that started privately and smoothly move it into a channel so the right people can follow along. This is perfect for moments when a private chat grows into something the wider team should see. We'll keep it simple, use drag and drop, and add a few tips to make sure it goes smoothly. First, open Slack on your desktop and go to the direct message you want to move. You'll find it in the left sidebar under Direct Messages. Before you proceed, take a moment to confirm that the content is appropriate for a channel. Remember, channels can be public or private, and sharing a discussion to a broader audience should never include confidential details. If the topic needs to stay restricted, choose a private channel you're already a member of. Now place your cursor over the direct message in the sidebar. Left-click and hold on the conversation name itself. You don't need to select any individual messages, just grab the conversation entry in the sidebar. As you hold the mouse button, you're preparing to move that conversation context. Keep the mouse held down. While still holding, drag the conversation onto the channel where you want the discussion to continue. Aim for the channel in the left sidebar. When your cursor is over the right spot, you'll typically see a highlight or visual cue on that channel. That's your signal you're dropping it in the right place. Release the mouse to drop. Slack will switch your focus into that channel so you can pick up the conversation there. This action doesn't bring over the entire private history. Instead, it helps you transition the discussion to the new, shared space and continue from that point forward. If the channel is private and you're not a member, you won't be able to drop the conversation there. Choose a channel you can access. If you change your mind mid-drag, simply move away from the sidebar and release, or press Escape to cancel. Once you're in the new channel, add a short message that summarizes what's already been discussed. A quick recap helps everyone catch up without exposing sensitive content. Keep it clear and focused and only include files or details that are fine to share in that channel. That's it. By opening the direct message, clicking and holding its name, and dragging it onto your target channel, you can quickly move the conversation into the right place and keep your team aligned.